Millets are a group of small seeded grains that have been consumed for thousands of years and are gaining popularity due to their numerous health benefits. Here's an overview of the health benefits of millets. Rich in nutrients. Millets are a great source of essential nutrients such as vitamins, B-complex vitamins, minerals, iron, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, and antioxidants. Gluten-free. Millets are naturally gluten-free, making them an excellent dietary choice for individuals with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease. High in fiber. Millets are rich in dietary fiber, promoting digestive health, preventing constipation, and supporting a healthy digestive system. Low glycemic index. Millets have a low glycemic index, leading to slower digestion, lower blood sugar levels, and better blood sugar control. This is beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Heart health. Millets can aid in reducing cholesterol levels and blood pressure due to their fiber content and heart-healthy nutrients. Weight management. The fiber and protein in millets contribute to a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management and appetite control, aids in digestion. The fiber in millets supports digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and reducing gastrointestinal issues. Rich in antioxidants. Millets contain antioxidants that help fight free radicals, reduce oxidative stress, and may lower the risk of chronic diseases and certain cancers. Boosts immunity. The vitamins and minerals in millets contribute to a strengthened immune system, promoting overall health and well-being. Good for bone health. Millets are rich in calcium and magnesium, essential for bone health, especially in growing children and the elderly. Balances cholesterol levels. Consuming millets regularly may help regulate cholesterol levels, promoting a healthier heart and reducing the risk of heart diseases. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ways to incorporate millets into your diet. Cooking millets as grains. Cook millets like rice and use them as a base for your meals, accompanied by vegetables, proteins, or curries. Porridge or breakfast cereal. Prepare millet porridge by boiling millets with water or milk and sweetening it with honey or fruits. This makes for a wholesome breakfast. Millets in baking. Replace a portion of regular flour with millet flour in baking recipes like bread, muffins, or pancakes to increase the nutritional content. Millets in salads. Add cooked and cooled millets to your salads for a nutritious and hearty touch. Millets in soups and stews. Incorporate millets into your soups or stews for added texture and nutrition. Millets in snacks. Use millet flour to make snacks like millet crackers or puffed millet bars. Millets as a rice substitute. Substitute rice with millets in dishes like biryani, fried rice, or pilaf for a healthier alternative. Millet recipes. Millet vegetable pulao. Sauté mixed vegetables. Add soaked millets, and cook with aromatic spices for a flavorful and healthy pulao. Millet upma. Sauté millets with vegetables, spices, and nuts to create a delicious and wholesome upma. Millet salad. Toss cooked millets with a variety of fresh vegetables, herbs, and a light dressing to create a nutritious salad. Millet idli or dosa. Ferment a batter of millet flour and urad dal to make soft and spongy idlis or crispy dosas. Millet kheer. Cook millets with milk, sugar, and nuts to make a delightful and healthy millet kheer. Like and subscribe for more healthy recipes.